Have you listened phone call like this? What kind of impression with the caller and the receiver? This is the power of telephonic etiquette. When you on a phone, what you say, how you say, and how much you say. This is a very important rule of impression that you form on the caller and while you talking. In this video, you will learn the basics of telephonic etiquettes and the difference between formal or informal communication and learn to place call on hold. I am sure at the end of this video, you will be able to conduct the impactful business conversation on the telephone. The first impression is the reflection of you and the work you do. So let's start it. Telephone etiquette. Proper telephone etiquette, an important patient of communication, since you represent not only yourself but often your department and your university also. The following suggestions are helpful for making a phone conversation more efficient. How to have good first impression. Be alert. Show your alertness by engaging yourself in the conversation with the caller. Be pleasant. Reflect a smile on your voice and keep yourself positive. Be expressive. Speak not too quickly or not too softly. Be natural. Don't fake your accent. Speak clearly and be natural as possible. Use simple words. Answering calls. Try to answer the phone call within 3 rings. Answering a phone call too fast can catch the caller off guard, and waiting too long can make the caller angry. Answer with friendly greetings like "Good afternoon, ABC speaking. How may I help you?" Use the hold button when leaving a line so the caller does not accidentally overhear the conversation. Be nearby. When you are out of the office or away from the desk for more than few minutes, forward a phone to voicemail. Making calls. When you call someone and they answer the phone, do not say, "Who am I speaking with?" without first identifying yourself, like, "This is ABC, to whom am I speaking?" Always know and state the purpose of conversation. When you reach a wrong number, don't argue with the person who answers the call or keep them on the line. Say, "I'm sorry, I must have wrong number. Please excuse the interruption," and then hang up. Handling rude or impatient callers. Stay calm, try to remain polite. Getting angry will only make them angrier. Try to think like caller. Remember, the problems and concerns are important. Speak slowly and calmly. Be firm with your answer but understanding. Placing calls on hold. Putting a caller on hold, always ask permission. Like, "Would you mind holding while I check?" Sometimes you may have other lines ringing too. Remember to write down the name of the caller holding so you avoid asking who the caller is holding for more than once. Taking messages. Be prepared with a pen and message slip when you answer the phone. When taking messages, be sure to ask for caller's name, caller's phone number. If the caller is a student, ask the student ID and ask about the student of the call. Repeat the message to the caller. Be sure to fill the date, time, and your initials. Ending conversation. Before hanging up, be sure that you answered all the caller's questions. Always end it pleasantly, such as "Have a nice day" or "It was nice speaking with you." Formal telephonic conversation. So, this is a formal conversation. Now, informal telephonic etiquette. Introducing yourself. Hey George, it's Lisa calling. Hello, it's Julie calling. Asking to speak with someone. Is Lisa in? Is Jackson there, please? May I speak with Mr. George, please? Making a special request. Could you please repeat it? Could you speak up little, please? Could you speak a little slower, please? Can you call me back? I think we have a bad connection. Can you please hold for a minute? I have another call. Leaving a message. No, that's okay. I'll call back later. Thanks. Could you ask him to call? Do you have a pen handy? I don't think he has my number. Thanks. My number is 222-3456. Do's and don'ts. Do. Smile when you talk to people. Greet the caller warmly. Speak clearly. Use proper language. Stay positive and cheerful. Actively listen. Don'ts. Don't be distracted. Don't shout. Don't leave the caller on hold for too long. Don't interrupt. Don't hang on without permission.